fuck, what do I do? Would you fucking eat this shit? Contrary to popular belief, my name is Joey B, and this is the Brockstar Challenge. I'm 3-0. What's up?
Gonna be a Brockstar, Brockstar baby, yeah. Gonna be a Brockstar, bring that coach right here. Gonna be a Brockstar, Brockstar all night.
Hand it over. Y'all jealous because your man just keeps on winning. All right. Check that out. Oh, pepperoncini, my guy. I love all the pepperoncinis. A1 steak sauce, your mama. Carrots. Fucking mashed chicken, that's easy. Oh, all right, now y'all fucking suck. All right, an Uncrustable. An Uncrustable, and then this.
Flounder.
Flounder. 2 Uncrustables. All right, fair enough. I got 20 minutes. I have these ingredients, and I will win. Let's go. Here we are. We're going to do.
What you thinking?
I don't know what I'm fucking thinking right now. Leave me alone, and I got you. We're doing a fucking sandwich. That's what we're doing. We're doing a fucking sandwich. Yeah, we're gonna do sandwich. You know, we're gonna do a fucking sandwich. Peanut butter, fish. I think this will work. Hey, if you don't like it, go screw yourself. All right. Okay. Cool. Fuck. What do I do?
We got him.
For now.
Fucking get me.
All right.
Same 20.
Yeah. Boom. Okay, where the fuck is the arrowroot shit? Alright. We got ourselves, we're gonna make, I don't fucking know what we're gonna make right now.
Well, what are you doing right now?
Well, I'm gonna make like some fucking French fries, but with carrots, yeah.
Carrot fries.
And then I'm gonna make a sauce out of this fucking, some sort of ketchup out of this. I'm gonna make something out of this. And then the pepperoncinis, we're gonna put on the sandwich somehow. I don't fucking know. We're frying shit up. Oh, okay. Okay, I got this. I win. All right, we win. We win! All right, here's where we're going. We're doing carrot fries, and then we're gonna do a badass fish sandwich. But these, I'm gonna fucking toast up somehow, do something crazy. But yeah, here we go. Boom, a little coriander, or a little cardamom, white pepper. I know you guys been seeing me cook with cardamom all the last episodes because I like it. And I cook what I like. And what I like is what I eat. Oh, fuck, I just totally did not look cool doing that. A little garlic powder.
You're nervous.
I'm not nervous. I'm trying to hurry because I'm time constricted.
You're shaking.
I'm not shaking.
17 minutes and 20 seconds.
17 minutes and 20 seconds, huh?
He's shaking in his flats that he's been wearing all day.
My flats. All day? What do you mean? I wear these all the time.
Every episode, they're your lucky flats. Yell at me if you need something.
No, I don't need your help. Okay. You're the one fucking stumping me. You're the one who hates me the most.
Dang.
Wow.
You're the one who's just like, you're like, I hate him. I want to beat him. He thinks it's easy. Guess what? Another easy one.
I had different things. The guy said it was too easy.
In all fairness, there's 3 episodes and you keep making us look like we're fools, so.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I can only kind of do this for a living, right? It's kinda. I'm hopping along and fucking kicking your ass.
We were thinking people were going to think that we were doing it on purpose.
30 seconds.
And giving you easy stuff.
Alright, look, pepperoncinis. Look, these things are fucking great. But I need lettuce, tomato. Do you have lettuce, tomato?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Can I have that?
Yeah. I shall get it.
Okay, the fish, we're gonna do, okay, we're gonna make a relish out of this. We're gonna make a relish out of this, out of the pepperoncinis. We're gonna fry the fish. We're gonna do a fried fish sandwich, fuck y'all. Fried fish sandwich because I win. Here we come, fried fish sandwich!
15 minutes, 30 seconds.
15 minutes, 30 seconds. I can make a sandwich that fast.
Time is flying, bro.
Here we go. Boom. Boom. Where's Paul? Paul Perdome, where are you at? Paul Perdome right here. We're gonna hit it up. We're gonna hit it up with just a little blackened seasoning. Flounder, barely even know her. Just kidding. All right, cool. We got the outsides coated. Boom. Fish in this. I know what you're thinking, like, how the fuck is he going to make a fish sandwich out of these Uncrustables using peanut butter and jelly? Well, peanut butter and jelly have two fucking great components, right? Something that's creamy and sweet, and then something that's a little tart and sweet, right? Like, in my mind, what I see is like, okay, let's replace the mayonnaise with the peanut butter texturally, right? In a sense, that's what I'm thinking. And then, like, sometimes you have a berry jam that goes on sandwiches with like prosciutto and shit like that. I think it's gonna work perfectly fucking fine. Like, I'm dead fucking set. This sandwich is going to beat the shit out of your Brockstar challenge. Look how long I fucking talked already. I'm not worried.
14 minutes.
Oh shit. This is what's cool. I'm gonna put this here. I'm waiting for this shit to fucking heat up. That's what I'm waiting for. You know what I'm saying? I need to make a relish. All right, we got the pepperoncini in there. We have a little cucumber. It's gonna help be our relish. Fried fish. Okay, I have a fried fish sandwich. I'm making a relish. No, I'm not making a relish. I'm making a tartar sauce. Do we have mayonnaise?
Yes.
We're not making a relish. We're making
To
a
the QP.
freaking tartar sauce.
13 minutes.
13 minutes. Sharp knife, sponsored by Reel Sportswear. Yeah, Reel Sportswear. You're chilling. All right, we're gonna take a little gochujang. Take a little gochujang, and we're gonna brush this. Oh, a little gochujang. We're gonna brush this.
Your QP, sir.
Okay.
12 minutes.
This little cilantro. What's the time?
11 minutes, 43 seconds.
11 minutes, 43 seconds. French fries, carrot fries down. All right.
$11 minutes.
11 minutes. Oh shit, I didn't shake it up. All right, that's okay. Make a ketchup for the fries, that's what we're gonna do. That fucker in there, that fucker in there, that fucker, and that fucker. What time?
10 minutes, 47 seconds.
Oh, we won! We fucking won! We won!
You haven't eaten it yet.
I have beat you every single time I've gone against you!
We're gonna need help in the comments if he wins this.
Yo, I'm sick and tired of winning. Not. Winning is the best thing in life. Don't be a fucking loser. But somebody's gotta be a loser. So I mean, if it's gonna be anybody, I hope it's you. Look, here we go. A little soy boys. A little bit of rice wine. Little rice wine.
9 minutes, 55 seconds.
You say it like I'm scared. 9 minutes, 55 seconds. 9 minutes, 55 seconds. All I hear is time. Is on my side. Yeah, baby. You remember that movie that had that song on the end? It's called Fallen. And it was like about a ghost who like hopped around bodies and shit. I don't know why I'm talking so spooky, but maybe it's because the lights are going down in the city. I need this to go in our
9 minutes.
9 minutes. 9 9 minutes. Ball! Yay! Okay, little Gary Lee. It fucking got me on the upper lip. You can slow-mo that shit, I promise. It did. Alright. 9 minutes, 9 minutes.
8 minutes, 45 seconds.
8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8. Alright, here we go. Eat your heart out, McDonald's, because I just made a badass tartar sauce. The only thing I'm really scared about is like the fucking sweetness of like the jelly. I'm just saying that so you guys feel like, oh yes, he's scared.
7 minutes, 30 seconds.
7 minutes, 30 seconds. All right, let's work on this ketchup we got going over here. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. All right, adding a little water to this. This is a ketchup right here, A1, gochujang, a little bit of water, some amino acid in there, some rice wine vinegar, and we're making kind of like a steak fry sauce for these carrots that we're gonna dress over them after we fried them.
6 minutes, 30 seconds.
I like it, but then I don't like it. I'm gonna add a little mayonnaise to it to soften it out. All right, let's toast it.
Okay, go for it, man. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
45 seconds.
5 minutes, 45 seconds. All right. I got this, I got this.
5 minutes.
Ow, fuck.
Tongs, Joe?
No, I like the fucking burn. I like the pain.
Slide off.
4 minutes, 30
Fuck out of here, bro. That is so fucking good. Fucking salt on it. What time is it? Fuck!
4 minutes. Oh, toasty.
Oh shit. Do you need some more?
No.
There's still time.
Do you have more Uncrustables?
I do.
All right, bring them, please.
He's sweating it out, folks.
How much time do I have?
4 minutes.
All right, I fucked up.
I almost brought you a Uncrustable and a Hot Pocket as a penalty. Here you go.
All right.
3 minutes, 30
these are fucking
seconds.
frozen.
They are. The other ones were thought we were nice to you. I don't know what to tell you now.
3 minutes, 30 seconds. Audible.
Make this fucking shit work.
I will say, he keeps winning. We're gonna have to start throwing random shit.
I don't know. I think the burn was in our favor this time.
Maybe not.
Maybe,
You know what I say to your fucking frozen shit? Say this.
2 minutes, 50 seconds.
That's not enough time.
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
2 minutes, 20 seconds. Drizzle this on the fry. 1 and done.
One minute, 45 seconds. Going down to the wire. Feel the pressure.
Bitches.
1 minute. 45 seconds.
I'm feeling it.
Nope, I'm done. Stick a fucking fork in
30
you.
seconds.
I'm done. I'm fucking done. Look. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up. Watch. I'm gonna fucking clean up. I'm done! Brockstar over at I'm the winner! There's your fucking fish sandwich and your fucking carrot fries. That's the Brockstar challenge. Let's see how it tastes. Here we go.
Oh, we almost had him. Let's
Never
see.
had me.
We gotta taste it.
All right, here's the Brockstar challenge. They gave me like more than 4 ingredients this time. 20 minutes to fucking cook their stupid challenge. They gave me carrots, A1 steak sauce, Uncrustables, Flounder, and pepperoncinis. That's 5 bullshit ass ingredients for this bullshit ass Brockstar challenge. And once again, I prevail. Here we have a fish sandwich. We made a steak fry out of the carrots and the A1 sauce with a little gochujang and some other shit. You can go rewatch the video. I'm not going to explain it. I'm just going to enjoy my winnings. You hear that? It's crunchy. Not fucking good. Try it. Steak fries, dude. 9.2. 9.2? Is that what do you think? I say it's a 9.2. All right. Here's the sandwich.
It's a little hard.
All right. Here we go.
You see his face?
The sandwich. That's not fucking bad. It's so messy. That's not fucking bad. It's so disgusting sounding. That's like a 8.3. I got an 8.3. 8.2.
Alright.
It's not bad at all! You didn't want to bite from the same side? I see.
God damn.
Dude, I told you, it's fucking good.
It's all going right now.
Also the peanut butter.
Oh, wait. That's the Brockstar challenge. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you like the gear, go to reelsportswear.com, download the freaking app, get hip. What do you think I can fucking do? What kind of ingredients do you want to see me get stumped on? Like in the comments, tell us what you think. Would you eat it? Would you fucking eat this shit? I would. I just did. Peace out, hang loose, keep it real.
Wanna be a rock star, baby.